Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find liked pages on Facebook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead first access your Facebook app. Once you have done so, this kind of particular interface gonna pop up, right? Afterwards, simply gonna go ahead, tap on this profile icon with 3 horizontal line on top right corner of your screen. And here in this section you're going to find this kind of interface. Now tap on this see more till you find this option called pages, right? Go ahead, tap on this pages, and this will simply open up the pages that you manage, you create, discover, invitations, and the option called liked pages. Go ahead, tap on it, and this will simply show you the pages that you have been liked and following. You can simply go ahead and choose to message, invite friends to like this page, add invitations to favorite, or tap on this liked and simply unlike that page as well, like that. And follow as well, you can simply tap and unfollow and follow it according to your liking as well. That is how you can simply go ahead, check out all of the liked pages and the followed pages on Facebook. And hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.